Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn English Audiobook. Today, we're going to practice your English together in just 5 minutes. Yes, only 5 minutes. And that is powerful because small daily practice creates real progress. So if you are here right now, you are doing something important. Stay with me, listen, and speak out loud. I will use positive affirmations. What does that mean? A positive affirmation is a simple sentence that you say to yourself to build confidence and create a strong mindset. Mindset means the way you think. You repeat these sentences, and slowly you start to believe them. But today, you will also practice speaking English. Listen to the sentences and repeat after me. I am here to improve. I am here to improve. I'm focused right now. I'm focused right now. I'm using my time well. I'm using my time well. Here is a longer sentence. I'm doing something good for myself. I'm doing something good for myself. Great. Now let's move into simple daily moments. I make time for learning. I make time for learning. Now you say it. I use small moments wisely. I use small moments wisely. I turn free time into learning time. I turn free time into learning time. I practice while I walk. I practice while I walk. I repeat sentences quietly. I repeat sentences quietly. I think in English during the day. I think in English during the day. Okay, now let's build confidence. I'm getting better step by step. I'm getting better step by step. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. I speak more naturally now. I speak more naturally now. I feel more comfortable with English. I feel more comfortable with English. Okay, now we connect the sentences to your future. I will build a strong and lasting habit. I will build a strong and lasting habit. I will make steady and meaningful progress. I will make steady and meaningful progress. I will see clear improvement over time. I will see clear improvement over time. I will speak with ease and clarity. I will speak with ease and clarity. I will move forward with clarity and purpose every day. I will move forward with clarity and purpose every day. I will stay curious and open. I will stay curious and open. I will become better little by little. I will become better little by little. I will improve with every small step I take. I will improve with every small step I take. I will develop my skills day by day. I will develop my skills day by day. I will stay consistent no matter what. I will stay consistent no matter what. I will trust the process even on difficult days. I will trust the process even on difficult days. I will remain patient with myself. I will remain patient with myself. I will not give up on my progress. I will not give up on my progress. Beautiful. You used these minutes very well. Keep this habit. Keep this energy. And I will talk to you in the next episode. Bye for now.